Chair, how are you? The chair is the primary doctor who is managing him, so I want to introduce the patient's company.
You can start now. This is James Jerry. There is sustained burns on her face, but she had no inhalational burns. So but she has getting some supplemental dressing. She has been discharged to be followed up with the eye clinic and the plastic surgery clinic. Yeah. So they see the plastic surgeon, and there's a collagen dressing that has been placed on her face, and for that usually you have to. Normally the patient can be taken care of as an outpatient and be followed up in clinic. The thing is usually for some patients that can be discharged to avoid them getting hospital-acquired infections. The patient is stable, burns are not. The patient is stable, burns are not. Also social issues, children at home. The earlier we can get them out of the hospital. But now also we have to process the discharge. And as long as the intakes that we say here, it is either the weight
Baba amewaletea kitu tutapangia wale ambao wako tu hapa, nataka please tuwachie kitu so that at least because wako na watoto nyumbani na hapa relatives wakikuja kuwaona wanaweza ona venye wanasaidika kidogo. So for the 22 who are admitted,
The 22 are here,
yes.
But we have 34 in the
yes, now let's talk of the 34. So all the 34 tumeshamaliza kuona kando, at least every person atapewa 20,000 utawapatia for the 34. So utawacha kwa mkono yako kutoka contribution ya baba. Yeah. Then we also need a list of those ones that were given so that we also don't also give again, because we have to also take care of others. Yeah.
Thank you. Each, and it is for their use and the support for the families that are there. As we have a conversation with Dr. here about what the government is doing, because at least the county government took on going to things with the county hospitals. This is a facility of the national government. I don't know what commitments they have given you so far.
what we have received in kind through the Ministry of Health. Therefore, we are yet be meeting the bills through the National Disaster Fund or through the ministry. Okay. Yes.
I think you need to take this up with the ministry.
Okay.
Daktari.
Although hii isiende kwa bills.
Haiwezi kwa bills, but it needs to go into safe custody.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
I wanted to find out of the people you received, have we lost any?
Yes, we have lost.
From the
Yes, we have lost 4.
all the who have passed away were brought here first?
There are some which came through Mama Lucy. Those were the ones with a very high percent of burns, over 90% of burns. Yes.